Hello friends, now I am going to show you a app by which you will have the feeling of using the real Alexa device. So I am going to show you. Hello.
Hi there.
See? Now. How are you?
I'm feeling complete because I just worked out the ending to my latest holiday story.
So viewers, you are watching this. It's so funny and it's also knowledgeable. You will have many knowledgeable things by this. So tell me, what's your name?
I don't know that.
What's your name?
My name is Alexa.
So friends, you see, you have to tell the comment clearly, then you will have the answer what you want. So please subscribe my channel and like the video.